Hello, Jessica here from NocoDB. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your NocoDB account. We'll start from the main workspace page. To access your security settings, open the sidebar menu and select your profile. From there, navigate to Account Settings, then choose Security from the left-hand menu. You'll see that two-factor authentication is currently disabled. Click Enable to begin setup. A dialog will ask you to confirm your password. Enter your details and click Next. Open your Authenticator app and scan the QR code shown on screen to add NocoDB. Once it's added, click Next. Enter the verification code from your Authenticator app. Then click Verify to continue. The next screen shows your backup codes. These are important. If you ever lose access to your Authenticator app, you'll need them to get back in. Make sure to save them somewhere safe before moving on. Once you've done that, confirm to continue. Two-factor authentication is now enabled on your account. If you ever need new backup codes, just use the regenerate link shown here. From now on, you'll be asked for an authenticator code each time you log into your workspace. Just enter the code and click Verify to continue. If you're a workspace admin, you can also require two-factor authentication for your entire team. Just go to the workspace security settings and turn on Require two-factor authentication. The change saves automatically, and all members will need to set up 2FA the next time they log in. That's all it takes to secure your NocoDB workspace. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay secure.